here? Can you spot any difference? Good job. Sam's sword. Very good. What about here? Can you spot the difference? Ah, Sam, he must have eaten all the cookies. They're gone. What about here? Can you spot the difference with me? Excellent. Sam must have eaten the apple. Can you find the difference between these two pictures? Very good. That's right. Sam has gone. Can you find the difference in this picture? Looks like magic. That's right. The letters disappeared. Very good. What about this one? Where's the difference? You spotted it. One of the wings disappeared. Can you spot the difference in this picture? Very good. That's right. The brown rabbit. He's not there. Here's Sam. He's playing hide and seek. Can you spot the difference? That's right. The mushrooms. They're not there now. What about here? What can you see? Is there a difference? Very good. The butterfly's wings.